Telugu. Shri Mahesh Babu for Seekamma Vakitlo Sinimale Chettu. Shri Nitin for Gundegari Gallantainde. Shri Pavan Kalyan for Attarinti Garedi. Shri Prabhas for Mirchi and Shri Ramcharan for Nayak.
And to present this award, may I invite on stage the beautiful Tamala, please.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Best Actor Male Telugu.
Most desirable man Mahesh Babu.
Gives me immense pleasure to make this one. Mahesh Babu. For Seekamma Vakitlo Sinimale Chettu.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
SVSC is a very special film for me, and this lady has just made it even more special. I would like to thank Venkatesh Garu. I think he deserves this award as much as we. I would like to thank Srikanta Dara, Dilraju for being a wonderful film like SVSC. I would also like to thank Senator and the children. Thank you so much.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి అబ్బాయిలు వాటుడు వంటట్టుడు.
Before we move on, we would like to thank our